Welcome to Webstar Rasm. In this video, I will show you how to change WhatsApp language. You can choose English, Urdu, Punjabi, Hindi, Malayalam, Gujarati, Telugu, Marathi, or any language in WhatsApp. To do that, open WhatsApp, press three dots at the top right, select Settings, press App Language. And from here, you can select any language that you prefer to use. I will select this language and immediately the language has been changed. But this is app language, not the language that you type in. For example, if I type here, it is still using English language. So to type in any other language in WhatsApp, you will have to change the keyboard language. To do that, go to keyboard settings. I can see settings icon, gear icon, above the keyboard, so I'll select that. And here select languages and types. Here as you can see, my keyboard is using English language. To change that, press manage input languages. And from here you can adjust the language. Let's search the language. I'll select that language. And now let's go back and type something. Swipe with one finger on spacebar. Now the input language has been changed. Now the input language has been changed and the app language has been changed. This way you will be able to see WhatsApp in your preferred language and you will be able to type in your preferred language. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.